Yeah. Choo-choo train goes down the track, clickety-clack with a chubby snack. Whistles blow and children cheer. The funny train is finally here. It puffs out smoke, goes toot-toot, carries toys and a dancing flute. Up the hill and down again, let's ride the happy, giggly train. Red and blue with coaches bright, rolling on tracks from left to right. Kids are waving, smiles so wide. Come on board, enjoy the ride. It sings a song of clickety-clack, racing down and then comes back. Over the bridge and through the trees, the choo-choo train is sure to please. Look, the monkey waves hello. Elephant cheers as the train goes slow. Ducks go quack and dogs say bo. Everyone loves the train right now. Down the valley, up the hill, bouncing along with a happy thrill. The whistle blows, all aboard they say. The giggly train is on its way. Candy coaches and a cake car too. Music box that plays for you. Jump on in, let's dance around with choo-choo sounds and happy sound. Yeah, teddy bears and toy giraffes, clapping hands with giggling laughs. Trains bring joy, so come and play. We'll ride the train every single day. So wave your hands, don't miss the fun. The choo-choo train is number one. Puffing clouds into the sky as happy children say goodbye.